Hello and namaste. I'm Oman. Welcome to our channel Explore Hidden Nepal. So we in the past did a couple of vlog, and now again we are doing another vlog, and we are going to Nagarkot today. So we are going to go on a motorcycle, and we have to meet some guys there, and we will see. We might stay there as well. So whatever we do, we're gonna record, and we're gonna include in this vlog, so you guys can enjoy watching this vlog. You can travel with us, and let's get it started. Finally, we have arrived here in Nagarkot. It took us around 1.5 hours on the motorcycle. The road was okay. It was still rough when we were very close to Nagarkot, but it was fun. It was like an adventure. So now we are finally in Nagarkot. We are having our snack at Himalayan Villa. So you can see there is a really nice view of the hills, and we have to visit few places around Nagarkot, and if we are short of time, then we will stay one night here in Nagarkot. So if we stay one night here, then tomorrow morning we are going to have a sunrise view. So we are very much looking forward to our experience here in Nagarkot. Yes. So it's a snack break time. So we are about to have momos. So this is what you can see here, momo. And momo is a special Nepali food that we eat often for a snack break, So this is momo, and there is different kind of momo. There is steam momo, fry momo, and this is chol momo. So yes, I am very much excited to enjoy this. Wow, it's hot, tasty. I love this. So right now we are here at the end of universe. So this is in Nagarkot. Nagarkot is nearest destination from Kathmandu city for those who would like to escape from very busy city and be in the nature. So it's just full of nature, trees, hills, green,
and it's so relaxing. When we are in Kathmandu, it's so busy, there's so much noise, dust, but when we come here it's totally different. It's just 2 hour drive, hardly. The max is 2 hour drive on a car or motorcycle, and then we are just in the mid of nature. So we will stay tonight here, and then there's a sunrise point from here, from Explore Hidden Nepal Lumbini Heritage Home. We organize 1 day sunrise view to Nagarkot and half a day hike to Changonara. And so we are not going to do Changonara and hike, but we will definitely do tomorrow morning. We will try to have a view of the mountain. So if we are lucky, if the visibility is really good, we can also see the Mount Everest. So yes, we are enjoying. It's amazing. So thank you for watching, and stay with us and travel with us. Thank you so much. Alright, so it was a wonderful day, and finally we decided to stay, and it's cool. So we are now enjoying, as you can see here, Nepali food. This is of course rice. We have vegetable curry, we have fried rice, we have pig sekua. Actually, we were very lucky. We could meet founder of this resort, the End of Universe, and I was able to meet with them and talk to them. And also, I got this shekwa. So yeah, so we are going to enjoy it. Thank you. Hello, good morning everybody. So we woke up around it's 8:30. We woke up around 6. We are going to have a tea. So yeah, it was really relaxed night, just in the mid of nature. So it was really good, and we are looking forward to go to waterfall in Nagarkot. Yeah, so let's see.